Hello everyone, this is Ajay Dangi. Today I will discuss about the how we save the employee detail data into database and how we make connection with MySQL with the help of Eclipse. So let's start. So first of all, I will show you my UI with HTML. So that is my UI. First name, last name, sex, employee detail, and that is my second UI with table. So let's start. Firstly, I put this my JSP file within the views, and then other, and then we put the two JSP files. And firstly I will create a controller, Java controller, to make a project of in Eclipse. So first of all I will create employee controller Java. So that is my controller Java class. So firstly import the java.sql.connection. It will connection with the my database. My database is my workbench. And first of all public class my employee controller, and then with the request mapping to request method, get method, and value is that is the my save employee, that is my URL name. And then we create a method of model and view, and pass the parameter response, HTTP response, and request method. So create a model object MV, and object set content, set view name with Ajay. That is my folder name, and in this we put two JSP file, and my first JSP file is employee detail, and then mapping with the request mapping. Value is my save employee that, and method request. Now we method put post, and then method model and view save HTTP request response, HTTP request and response, and we make string with first with get parameter with the UI. Right? I will show you my employee data table. That is, it will match with the name, my first name and last name, and the name, gender. I will take that file in Eclipse controller. So that file, first name, last name, it will match, it will get the parameter, and then get parameter all the values and make connection. If my connection is equal to null, then we make connection with SQL, MySQL JDBC driver, connection with driver manager, get connection, JDBC MySQL, and localhost with localhost with 3033306, and other dangi. This is my database name, and this is my password and username. And then we insert query with the table, and then system would execute with query string name is query, and then execute the query and try catch under the try catch block. And then at last model view object and set the view name as a employee detail. That is my JSP file. And then that is my database name and my database table employee detail. So that is my database name, and I will show you the UI. And when we start run by the server, when we run this, it will show the output with that employee detail UI. So firstly I put the first name. The first name is like Lucky male, and select the date of birth like 3rd, and employee ID 45, location is Gurgaon, and then save it. And then you will show the database. That is my table, that is my database that is my table employee detail. I'll show you 25 is my previous table inserted, and select and query. So we will show the save data with Lucky. So it will show you that is some problem with it. Let's start with another. Satish Kumar, Dangi, male, and then employee ID, location Gurgaon. Save this and show the in the database. So select this and execute this. It will show the my inserted data. Satish Kumar, last name Azadangi, male, that is, and I will show again, that is Ajay, male, and that is, and employee ID something, and location Delhi, and save it, and then refresh this by the select, and then it will show the 27 employee ID by Ajay Mansal, male,